Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a different sort of job starting. We have a MK1 Golf. We all love these cabriolets, they're beautiful, but the engines get tired, the gearboxes get tired. So I know, let's take a moment to make it better. Let's take out the old engine, put in a new gearbox that's got 5 speeds, not a 3-speed auto, because we all hate them. So that's coming out, that's getting binned. And yes, as you can see, always make sure you put labels on where everything goes. Even though you might take out, I won't forget that. Always make sure you put labels on, just so it makes it easy when you put things back on. And especially this build, because we're swapping it into a different engine, I just wanted to make sure we had all the labels on, so as you can see the little white tickets are basically labels telling where everything went. And because there was multiple others taking stuff to pieces, I just wanted to label everything up so it didn't make a mistake later on in the build. As you can see now that we are taking all the bits off nice and gently. Obviously we've sped this up so you can see, and it's not too boring. But yeah, basically just take your time, take everything off, all the auxiliaries, all the external outside of the engine bits, to make the engine lift or drop a lot easier than having to fight around things. As you can see, Tim would make a very good foreman, because I think in this clip it doesn't move very much. We nearly wanted to bring the engine up and through, but I think in the end we made the decision to drop the engine out, as you'll see later on in the video. Rust and solace, this barrage my home. Dreams, they both come loose. Tighten them down, find my truth. And solace this barrage, the broken heal. Hey Tim, you having fun?
Yes, mate. Got dirty hands and everything. Only one of them.
The concentration. Basically now we're taking the manifold off. Well, Matt and Tim are taking the manifold off. Take it steady, because obviously the bolts have been through heat sinks and stuff like that, so they do tend to rust in and stick in. So as you can see, I was giving you help. Educated hand, I think it was called. But yes, they're getting there. And solace, this garage my home. As you can now see, we've jacked up the vehicle just to give us better access underneath, just to get rid of some of the stuff at the bottom and disconnect bits and bobs, because the exhaust won't come out without it being jacked up, so it's always nice to get them jacked up so you can get the clearance. If you do end up doing it like we've done it, where we drop the engine out the bottom, always make sure you've got clearance to jack the vehicle up, and make sure it's on blocks. Every bit of safety gear you can. I always put a lifesaver under when they'll jack the car up, just in case safeties give way. You've always got that block underneath that will save your life one day. So just take your time, undo the clamps and drop the engine to the floor. And solace, this barrage my home. Bolts and dreams, they both come loose. Tighten them down, find
well-streaked mirror shows a weary face, but these machines, they give me grace. A dance of gears, a hymn of sparks.
Engine swap from auto to green manual.
Yeah, so what have we done?
Took the engine out
Yeah.
and broke a lot of things.
Oh, yeah. Mostly Tim. How many jobs have you done today, Tim?
Judging by them, I was at least 10.
Yeah,
How
look
dirty they are. You wouldn't believe it.
Yep, that's the second time I've washed them today as well.
No, do you wow, mate?
Don't swear. You're on camera.
It's right, it's not monitored. We don't make that much. Not monitorised yet.
Not yet.
So yeah, so we're going to tidy up the engine bay tomorrow, get it all ready for the new engine to come in, and then we've got some bits on order, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
What have we got on order? Clutches
Yep, all the service parts.
and all the service
A
parts.
few more bits to order as well.
Oh yes.
Fun times.
Yep. So
We've had to stop Matt before I get carried away going down this rabbit hole. Oh, I could just. Oh, maybe I could just. Oh, while we're here, I could just. No.
but this all started with a air filter change.
Yeah. If you'd have found that by the earth, I wouldn't have had this problem.
You said you didn't like the gearbox.
I don't.
There you go then, so shut up.
Better than the dangling accelerator relay, though,
Don't
isn't it?
start him off on that one either.
What relay is it?
Accelerator, isn't it?
No, ignition.
Yeah,
Ignition.
Ignition relay dangling upside down in the weather. What about the nice loose earth lead?
What about all the nice loose bolts that are all across the engine?
Yeah, yeah.
From bell housing to
So
axles.
we do think this engine's been out prior to Tim's purchase. So we'll see. We'll see how much it goes back in the way it should do.
Yeah. One more thing.
What?
Why haven't you got your shark t-shirt on?
Because I don't want my shark t-shirt on today.
Every video I've seen you on.
It was cloudy when we started.
What's that got to do with it?
It's cloudy when we started. And it was raining as well. It's got holes in.
Where's the shark t-shirt?
Go on, wash it. Worked on my car this week.
It did?
You did.
Damn.
Did I wear the shark t-shirt then? I think I did. One took it was hot. Yeah, I wore the shark t-shirt then. Okay, we'll get more shark t-shirts. If you want to buy one, just let us know.
Start advertising.
Yeah, so that's it. We're ordering takeout now, so see you later.
Caught.
Engine's out, all the stuff's out. Now let's clean the engine bay up and get it all ready for the new engine plant to go in and the gearbox. Now we've got the engine out, it's time to assess the engine bay and give it a nice good clean and a scrub. So we'll clean all that up. As you can see, we've now filled it full of soap suds, penetration fluid, just to get it all nice and clean and get rid of all the dirt and grime. Use a couple of scrubbing brushes and get it all nice and worked in there, ready for jet washing off and cleaning off.
Fine, so put your back into it.
So now you can see it's all nice and clean, nice and ready to start scraping and getting ready for painting the engine bay and getting it all set up. What are you painting, Tim? What are you painting?
Everything.
Everything.
Whatever this is, well, they're exactly the same.
Thanks for watching. Here's the next video. If it's out, if it's not, then it'll be another video. But yeah, like, enjoy, and here's also a Dutton video just to keep you in tuned. And let's have a go. Next video will be all about getting the engine serviced and ready to go back in. Dush.
Yeah.
I'd like to get it out of the way just in case the scrap man comes round.